If you're struggling to sell more on Etsy, probably one of the reasons is your pricing strategy. In fact, you're not alone. 95% of businesses fail only because of this simple matter. If your price is too high, customers won't buy. And if it's too low, you'll lose profit. Today, I'll show you how exactly use Google Lens AI and your phone to spy your competitors and find the perfect price for your product. Hey everybody, my name is Mo and let's grow our business with AI tools. First of all, in the Etsy business or any other business, there are basically two scenarios. Either your product is truly unique and no one else sells it, and there is nothing even close on the market. In this case, you have upper hand and power to set any price on your product based on your target audience and production costs. Well, in this case, go and live it up. Enjoy. But the second scenario, which applies to the most sellers, is when your product either exactly like other products or 70 or 80% is similar to the others. Here, you face a lot of competition. So you need to price your product strategically, low enough to stand out from your competitors, but still high enough to maintain a good and high profit margin. Let me show you how. Imagine you want to sell this wrench. Yeah, this is for my motorcycle, whatever. You want to sell this wrench on your online store. So take a photo of this wrench or your product or whatever. Then after taking a photo, open up Google Photos and click on it. And then use this one, Lens. And Lens will find you the exact wrench. This is awesome. But it's for different kind of stores like eBay, Amazon, or any other thing. So you need to do this. Come up here and write Etsy and search it. Ta-da! So now you have your own competitors here and you can see the price of them and you can set your price correctly. But how exactly you should set your price? Maybe you're not selling range. Maybe you are selling some luxury stuff. Maybe you are selling some other things. First, pick up the price of the competitors, then do this. If your product is luxury product, you should set price like this. If it's luxury product and your competitor price is $3,000, you must do this. $3,200 and then cross it like this and show that it has discount. And your new price must be this. For example, $2,900. So this pricing strategy is very smart because when people want to buy luxury stuff, they usually pay attention to the price. If it's too low, they think it's fake, it's not original and it's not luxury. But like this, use a trick that your product is original, but for now we have discount. You can just buy it with $2,900, but the real price is $3,000. But this one was for luxury product. But if your product is not luxury, do this. Boop that like button and subscribe to my channel and support me to create more AI videos for you. Thank you. Oh, that was the next step, but anyway. If your product is regular and it's something like $30, also you can use this strategy, but in the beginning, even you don't have to write discounted price. You can write like $29 or even like the previous strategy, $32 discount and real price is $29. But even if you don't do this, you can sell your product on $29 even without discounting your price. Also, in this video, I'll show you how exactly you can train Chatgpt to get more leads or more views for free without spending even a penny on your business. So like this video and subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.